In pharma production, every vial, every syringe, and every moment counts. Because when precision meets reliability, that's where true excellence starts. Hi, I'm Francesco Caselli, Key Account Manager for Pharma at FlexLink. I work with leading pharmaceutical companies around the world to make their production faster, safe, and more reliable every single day. The pharmaceutical industry runs on trust. Every product needs to be handled with absolute care and precision. And that's why at FlexLink we don't just build conveyor, we build confidence into every line. Our automation solution helps reduce downtime, improve flow, and keep every vial or syringes safe from start to finish. And with our global network and decades of experience, we make sure each solution fits your exact needs, no matter where you are in the world. For us, it's all about helping our customer protect quality, increase efficiency, and deliver life-changing medicine faster. Pharma production never stops evolving, and neither do we. And if you're ready to take your products handling to the next level, let's make it happen together with FlexLink. Start exploring our range.